This is 10 containers inside this thermal bag. Let's see what it looks like when it's collapsed. This is 16 containers, so as you can see, it takes up like quarter of the space.
1/5. That is bonkers. They're silicone, they're dishwasher friendly and microwave friendly because like food falls around in containers. It's small, convenient, light. So if you want to transport a lot of food, honestly, this is perfect. If you're looking for collapsible Tupperware, this is something you definitely want to consider. All right, so this is the Tupperware set that we just picked up from Amazon for our travel. This shrinks down to 5 times its height. They have strong lids. And I'm going to show you the type of bag you want to get as well to keep things warm and or cold when you go on a picnic or you're traveling or you're at the beach. 8 inches by 5 or so. 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. 5 1/4 by 3 1/2. And this is like a 3 by 3 1/2. Now the round containers, 6 1/2, 6 1/2, 5 1/2, 4 1/2, 3 1/2. So when you compare these to this, 1/5, that is bonkers. To flatten this, let's just say you open this up and then just collapse, because you just got to get the air out, and that's how quickly it basically collapses. And the great thing is, like I said, these have 4 clasps, completely silicone, so it's easy to clean, whether it's oil, ketchup, any stainy, saucy things. Let's go put some water in here and see if it spills out. Got some water. Let's seal this. So they do clasp quite well. Now let's see if it spills. All right. So I'm just gonna splash the water. I'm assuming some will come out. I mean, even a little bit should. Like if we drop it, let's see if it opens. Like this is important because like food falls around in containers. So, oh, there's a little splash right there. Did it open? No, no. Oh, right there, it opened. That's why it splashed. But if we seal this, then we're back to, yeah, see? So it does a pretty decent job in containing all liquids. Pretty satisfied. You've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 pieces. So this is the bag you may want to consider if you're going camping, if you go on travel on the beach, or if you're going on a picnic. This comes in a smaller and a medium and an extra large, just so you guys get an idea. This is 15 by about 9 1/2 by about 10 1/2. There's like a foil in here to try and keep the heat inside or cold. So it's kind of like a mini thermos bag as well. And I like the fact that it's super collapsible. Like, look how small it is. And it also has a handle. So I'm just opening up these containers just to see if they'll fit in the bag. But like these tops here, they're pretty solid that you can just, look how easy you can just collapse these. So nice and easy, honestly. So we're gonna go see if we can fit all these into one of these. And then we're gonna show you how easy it is to just sort of flatten them out. And by the way, that's quite a lot of food if you were to put this in. So we ended up fitting 10 out of 16. So these are the smallest containers. Let's zip this up. So there you go. It's small, convenient, light. So if you want to transport a lot of food, honestly, this is perfect. So for the second bag, we can just put drinks, additional desserts maybe in these containers. So at the end of the day, I think this is a super great little thermal bag, and these containers are absolutely amazing. And I think I want to show you about these containers is that I can press down and it's not going to collapse, and it still holds its shape. So you don't have to worry about accidentally squishing something. Look, I'm going to show you. See that? So it maintains its shape as well.
This is 10 containers inside this thermal bag. Let's see what it looks like when it's collapsed. Here it is. This is 16 containers, not just the 10 that were in the bag before. So as you can see, it takes up like quarter of the space.
So definitely recommended.